Hello everyone, it's Eduardo again with a Cut Above Landscape Management. Just another video for you guys in regards of irrigation. We are located in Franklin, Tennessee right now. We are at that subdivision known as Reese. This subdivision has an irrigation system that controls the entrance, the whole sidewalk, this sidewalk that runs along the side here, drip lines, and then also there's a new stretch and another entrance on the other side over there. This is a system that was installed just recently. For new constructions, you always find that as the system is installed, they add to it new zones, new valves, and all that. So trash can get in there and all other types of issues that can arise from being the fact that this is a new construction or ongoing construction rather. Right now we're trying to test the system here because we do our every 2 weeks I set out and do just a routine checkup on the properties. I found some dry spots over there towards the end of the strip there. As you can maybe kind of see that it's a little greener on this side than it is over here. So I came over here to check it out, see if I can get the system going, figure out what's going on with the water over there. And I realized that as I'm trying to turn the remote on, right now the system should be on zone 11, which is the rotors, exactly where I want them to come on that side are not coming on. I tested all the other zones as well, and none of them are coming on. The remote is telling me that yes, it should be coming on, but it's not. One thing that is very common here is, as you may be able to tell here, this is a two-wire system. A two-wire system, I'll make a video on that eventually. A two-wire system essentially it's known for that because there's two wires that roll along, and then they hit every valve on the system. On the multi-wire system, there's many wires. One wire goes to the valve, as well as the common wire. The common wire and one wire, they all have different colors. Whereas here, a two-wire system, you just run the wire to every valve and just runs along every valve. And makes it easier when you have bigger systems to run this kind of system, this kind of setup, two-wire system, because you can add as many as the remote would allow you. So anyway, but unfortunately for something like this, when the wire is cut at any point in the line, the whole system will not operate. None of it will work. So now we're in a situation where the wire is not coming on because the wire must be cut somewhere. Now, we recently had somebody add some zones over there, but that's not the issue. It looks like the issue is going to have to be very simple. I think these 3 bushes were added by the builder. As you can tell, there's new mulch and old mulch here. So more than likely, the wire that goes down in the ground and starts coming out to the valves. Here, I'll show you guys real quick what I'm talking about, the two-wire system here. Here's what a drip valve looks like. Drip valve will have a pressure reducer right here. As you can tell, these are not properly secured either way. But there's 2 wires right there and right there. It just runs along the valve, hits each valve, and then it goes on to the next. More than likely it was cut right there where they added these 3 bushes, and we will have to get in there. Here's where it comes down. The wires come down and it comes out. More than likely they cut it when they install those bushes, so I'll have to get in there and check it out. There is a tool I have that we can test where the wire is cut. We'll use that to make sure before we dig up any bushes or anything like that. But more than likely, this is what happened there. All right, I'll give you guys an update.